Hello friends, Phenomenal Day, right? How true. Welcome to our lectures today, and on our lectures today we are going to be studying Binomial Theorem. Binomial Theorem, how true. In studying Binomial Theorem, there are some concepts we must understand first before diving right straight to Binomial Theorem. The very first of them would be the factorial. The factorial of a positive integer n, this would be n and this would be the symbol for the factorial, is defined as equal to the product of all positive numbers less than or equal to n. The factorial of a positive integer n is defined as the product of all positive numbers less than or equal to n. It's given by the formula n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 down till you get to 2 times 1. How true. This would be our general formula. Let's try some classic example and see how that holds in place. 5 factorial can be evaluated using the formula as follows. Comparing 5 factorial and n factorial, we understand that 5 represents n in the formula. So wherever we see n in our formula, we replace with 5. So we have 5 multiplied by 5 minus 1 multiplied by 5 minus 2. Now, what this part of the formula is trying to say is that we are going to be subtracting increasing values from n, in this case 5, right, till the difference between them, though that between 5 and that increasing value is just 1. So that's what the formula is all about. Now, we have 5 minus 3. Sorry, let me write that down properly. Multiplied by 5 minus 4. Now the difference between 5 and 4 is 1. So we have just 1 there. So we stop right there. This gives us 5. The difference 5 minus 1 gives us 4. 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. And 5 minus 4 gives us 1. So in the end, we have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You notice that that is a decreasing order, right? 5 times 4 gives us 20. 20 times 3 gives us 60. 60 times 2 gives us 120. And 120 times 1 gives us the very same 120. That is clear, right? Let's play with 4 factorial and let's see what it gives us. Now, you would notice that for the 5 factorial, our formula just gave us a decreasing value from 5 down to 1. The same trend applies for every other number, not just 5. If we had 6 factorial, this would also give us 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we can hack the formula for solving factorials by simply starting from the number given, the number we are asked to find the factorial of, and decrease or decrement down to 1. Are you getting it now? So as per the factorial formula, we can evaluate problems starting from the number we have to find the factorial down to 1. Let's go back to 4 factorial. So this gives us 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. How true? Very true. You notice the decrease, right? So 4 times 3 gives us 12. 12 times 2 gives us 24. And 24 times 1 gives us the very same 24. The same rules applies to 3 factorial. So we start from 3 times 2 times 1 equal to 3 times 2 gives us 6. 6 times 1 gives us the very same 6. Is that clear? Yes, it is. The same rule applies for 2 factorial. 2 factorial. That is going to be 2 times 1, giving us just 2. Observing carefully, each value we are to find the factorial gives us a decreasing order from that particular value down to 1. What then would be 1 factorial? 1 factorial. It turns out that it gives us 1. It makes sense because we can't go down any further, right? How true. What then would 0 factorial give us? Mathematicians have been able to prove that 0 factorial gives us 1. How is this possible? Someone might be asking. Why not go ahead and click on the next video to find out? I will be proving why 0 factorial is equal to 1 in the next video. So guys, please do like, please do subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to get more of our content from this channel. Remember friends, you can be whatever you want to be as long as you put in the work and have a little faith. God bless you guys. See you in the next video.